I have learned in and of a world that denies me or cannot account for me in its languages of power. I found myself eluded in a world where who I am is prefigured by an other image, one that is constituted outside of any relation to me. And so I write. As I write, those denied paths come into existence, becoming as I write. I am in the process of writing those histories and narratives that were eluded in collaboration with the ancestors who haunt me. In so doing, I might become in a form that is not determined for me by the histories that relegate me to a space of lack. And as I do, we might emerge alongside and through the enunciations of eluded persons negotiating presence against negation. Quote, I am there only to provide it, speech, with a passageway, creating an opening where the me disappears, while I endlessly come and go. Close quote. We, together, opening up to a broader, deeper process of co-becoming.